Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to show game library on Epic Games. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open your Epic Games. So let it be open. So once you are here, you have to simply click on your account button on the top right corner and go for settings. Once you are here in the preference, scroll down. So this hard game library, if this is check mark on, that's okay for now. If it is has a tick mark on it, you have to simply enable it or enable it. It's all depend on you. So after check mark, you have to go back. So now if I click on this library button, all my games will be shown here and you are good to go. So this is the way how you can show games library on Epic Games. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.